Okay, hello, hi. This is just me taking the boat out on my own. Dad wasn't with me, or John, whatever you want to call him, wasn't with me because he was out eating a cafe or something, I don't know. As you can see, I'm on my own, and this is just me going out.
I hope that's looking down.
I'm really bad at these voiceovers, but I've actually just completely forgotten what I was going to say. Oh. That's, yeah, this was recorded, I think it was about March last year, so March 2021. I just randomly came across this video again, so I thought, you know what, sure, I'll stitch them together and upload it. Yeah. Yep, just, I guess, I might do another voiceover later on in the video. If not, this is the video.
Oh, that's nice bird poo. Sweet. My main concern is basically just coming back in, trying not to hit a boat. But you know, we'll see, we'll see. Fingers crossed that I don't kill something. Right, tiller is untied. It's good. We're in gear. Barefoot so I don't kill myself.
Okay, basically what I meant when I said I'm barefoot so I don't die or something, sometimes if you like wear shoes, they can be slippy. Well, it depends on the shoe, but basically barefoot can help give you more grip sometimes. Arguably dumb, because you can stub your toe more easily, but anyway, this was like almost a year ago now, so it's sort of like too late. I also didn't wear a life jacket, which also sounds dumb because I was on my own. But I know the area fairly well, or I did at that point. It was calm, and I was only going for a quick motor. And the reason I didn't wear a life jacket is that I found I can, like, it's got straps, and I get caught up on stuff somehow. I've, like, found myself getting stuck on the tiller at one point. So, yeah.
I don't have a life jacket on, which may seem dumb, but I find that wearing a life jacket you can get caught up on stuff. So what I'll do is I'll walk the rope back as far as I can get it. I just smashed my ankle on something, that's fun. So I'll get the rope to there. And then run back. Oh my god, we're off. Oh, I'm scared. Try not to hit this buoy. Current is taking us out at the moment. Yeah. If worse comes to worse, I'll just drop the anchor and my dad won't be able to get me because he's currently on shore without a dinghy. Take it slowly for now. No one around us. Because at the moment, there's a fair and stuff because there's like a town regatta on. Hi. There's one sailing boat out there, you probably can't see that on this lens.
I basically just quickly went out to sea, and I've turned around and I'm just coming back into the mooring now. I didn't do any sailing. I must have, what, gone out for 5 minutes and then just turned around. And for any of you who are interested, Bill is a 1984 we're not 100% sure. I think 84. Newbridge Virgo Voyager, 23-foot bilge keel, and it's got a new beta 13 horsepower inboard with 600 hours ish. Yeah.
Bit shallow here, 1.3. Well, at least no one's on their boats. Well, people are on their boats, but no one nearby, so no one's watching me. At least, I hope. Oh god. So if I mess up, there's an audience, which isn't great, but we'll just have to hope I don't mess up. Going a bit under 2 knots, about 1 3/4.
One thing you should take into consideration when bringing a boat in onto a mooring buoy, however you say it, I say buoy, it's probably wrong. If you look here on the left of this freeze frame, you can see that there are ropes trailing backwards, which means the current is like coming head on to bill, if that makes sense. It's always easier to go onto a buoy with a head-on current, assuming your engine's powerful enough, because you can like the boat will slow down faster basically, so you don't overshoot.
Just trying to get the throttle. My throttle's down there. Well, not my throttle, but like the throttle's down there. So at the moment I'm just doing it with my foot, which I mean is not great, but it will do. I don't want to cut the power too early because I've got like a 1.5 knot current against me. Okay, if I cut it there and then run up and slip, that wasn't too bad. Just get one line through there, one line for now. Tie that off loose, well, not loosely, but just quickly, even if it's not neat. And we're on. Whew.
Then I basically just tied up, cut the engine, and went over in the dinghy to collect my dad. Yeah, so hopefully this was helpful in some way. It wasn't really meant to be an educational video, but I guess someone might benefit from this if they're new to boating. Now I'm gonna, like, this video or clip is almost a year old, so since then we got a new dinghy, so I'm now gonna like show some pictures and videos of that, I guess. The dinghy is a AB Lammina 9.5 BL, so 9.5 foot rib with a bow locker, and we got a new outboard for it, which is a Tohatsu 15 horsepower EFI 4-stroke electric start short shaft. And now Alexa's going off. Okay.